Hello guys, and in today's video I will review all analytics that I shared in our Telegram channel during the last 2 weeks. If you don't follow us on our Telegram yet, then I think that you should start doing that now because you may be surprised with the analytics with the statistics of analytics that I will show you right now. Also, I wanted to say that today I won't show you my positions because now I'm trading and testing something new, and I don't really want to show it before it's fully ready, but I think that in the next video from me you will definitely see positions. But now it's just analytics. So let's start. Let's start with the first analytics that they shared in the Telegram channel, and it was analytics on the USD JPY. As you can see, USD JPY is moving at bullish order flow, but also it traded very big pool with liquidity. It traded equal highs that we built it for 2 years, and usually after this kind of liquidity pools, price does big rebalances, but here price continued to grow and to grow very aggressively. So here my daily bias is long because of the local work with liquidity and also because of the break of structure that you can see. But also I keep in mind that price can start like a big global rebalance in every moment because of the liquidity pool that we raided. Here we can go on the 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, we can also see that price is moving at bullish order flow. Also, we can see that price hits my zero information point, and if you don't know what's a zero information point, then you should watch our other video. I will leave the links below. But let's move on. We can see that price doesn't show any aggressive reaction after my zero information point. It leaves equal highs, and also it continues to work with liquidity. So because of that, I can clearly understand that my long order flow is valid. And also I can see that my time frames are in synchronization. If you don't know what's time frame synchronization, then you should watch our video about time frame synchronization. I will also leave the links below. But because of all those factors that I mentioned, my bias was long and I was interested only in long positions. Alright guys, and now let's move to our second example. Here we can see that price is moving at global short order flow, so it works with liquidity, it goes lower. So my global bias is short here because of that order flow. But currently we can see that price is moving at local, we have like a local long narrative. We have to understand that here we don't see work with liquidity, we don't see work with fair value gaps. It's just correction, it's just rebalance for all that movement. And here also I can see that price fulfills that daily fair value gap. So because of that, I assume that today price may go lower. Here we can go on 30-minute time frame, and on 30-minute time frame we can see that price works with the previous daily high in Asian session, and because of that short positions are more preferable for me. So as I said, my daily time frame is short and my 30-minute time frame is also short. But as you can see on the 30-minute time frame we have bullish order flow. We don't have it on the daily time frame, but we have it on the 30-minute time frame, and also we have a very impulsive move. So I'm not interested in targeting something that under that low, because the price may do a lot of different risk sweeps, and only after that it will go lower. Now let's move to our next example, and it's again USD JPY. And as you can see, USD JPY is still moving in that bullish narrative, but here we can see strong reaction in short direction. And now I understand that it looks like reaction from air, but remember that we rated very big pool with liquidity, after what we didn't see any rebalance, any reaction. So I assume that that reaction is a reaction on that liquidity pool. So here we can go on the 30-minute time frame and look for short positions. Here we can see the work with liquidity. Also we can see our potential target, that compression. And here I was interested in short positions, and during that day I wanted to see previous daily low, but I didn't get that, and price just continued to grow, and it continued to grow and to build liquidity for rating that in future, as you can see. And then it just again it just builds liquidity for using that as a fuel for future short movement, and as you can see it reached my target. So analytics worked out, but it was a bit longer than I thought. Guys, let me review last analytics that I shared on our Telegram channel. It was on the Nasdaq, and I started to trade indices lately. So let's start. Globally, you don't really understand. I mean, globally, I don't really understand. Will price go higher or will it go lower? Because globally, price grows, but as we can see now, we're moving in some sort of correction. And here, I don't really understand. Is this accumulation an end of all that correction, or is it accumulation that's made for rebalancing that movement, and price will continue to go lower and it will continue to move in that global correction. But locally, I can clearly understand that I want to see price higher because I can see the work with liquidity right here, and also I can see those fair value gaps right here. And price will always wants to work with liquidity, and it always wants to work with the fair value gaps. So if it worked with liquidity right here and it has a lot of fair value gaps higher, then probably it will go higher. So here we can go on the 15-minute time frame, and here I don't see any longs because I don't see work with liquidity. Yes, price did one manipulation here, but all that movement, during all that movement, price didn't work with liquidity at all, so I don't like it. Here I see that price works with liquidity, and I like that. Here I did analytics in our Telegram channel, and I wrote that it looks like price is accumulating, and I would like to see longs for rebalancing those fair value gaps. And somewhere here I wanted to get my entry, but I didn't get that, and price went lower, and here I thought that I was wrong. And here I wrote in the Telegram channel that I think that I'm wrong and will skip that, and so on, and that was a mistake. And also I closed the chart because there was high impact news in the evening, and I don't trade news, and I don't really see the point to trade where you will have news in a couple hours. So I closed the chart, and after that price went higher and it rebalanced both fair value gaps that I showed you in the beginning. Here, to be honest, I think that still I made a mistake. I mean, I was right in the beginning, but after I thought that I'm wrong. So still, it's I mean, I can't count that as a right analytics. But all analytics that I showed you before, they all were right. Guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and remember that all analytics that I showed you during this video, it all was posted in our Telegram channel. And if you feel like you need that, maybe you don't have enough experience and you want to look up to somebody who is a bit more experienced than you, then you should follow us on our Telegram. Also, you should follow us on our other social medias, because there we also share very valuable content that will definitely help you in the markets if you will use that correct way. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.